5 o'clock in the morning. Got some serious thunder and lightning going on. Watch, now that I'm out here, it won't lightning. There it goes. That was awesome. I know I haven't been putting up many videos lately. The kids go back to school soon. I'll be doing more videos. Right now, I'm doing it on my tablet, so probably, there we go. Probably look weird, but if I don't get struck by lightning. Show me some more. Thunder. Alright, show me some more lightning so I can go in, go to bed. It's nuts. Lighten up the whole sky. Boring Big D video. That's what I should start a channel. Boring Big D videos. This weather sucks. Whoa. That was a good one. Bowling in heaven. Alright, I'm gonna go in before I get struck by lightning. Alright guys, peace.